told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
타올로 닦으시면 이런 현상을 많이 보실 거예요. 대부분 세정제를 많이 쓰시는 분들, 이게 계면층이라는 건데 어떻게 보면은 계속 반응이 가고 있는 거예요. 그리고 뭐 유리, 물때 뭐 이런 거 물어보시는데, 여기 보시면 와이퍼 자국은 거의 다 빠졌어요. 그 대신에 데미지 먹은 데, 손상된 곳, 이렇게 깊게 손상된 곳은 물이 걸리는 경우가 있어요. 이런 식으로. 이거는 처리가 안 됩니다. 코팅을 하지 않는 이상은. 이런 도장일 경우에는 클레잉 작업을 아무거나 가셔도 큰 의미는 없어요. 대신에 내가 이거보다 깊게 데미지를 만들면 안 되겠죠. 클레잉 작업에서 나오는 데미지하고 원래 순수하게 이렇게 생긴 데미지하고는 틀려요. 형상 자체가. 여기 보시면 지금 두 가지 방법으로 세정을 한 거예요. 이쪽하고 이쪽하고 생기는 형상이 틀릴 거예요. 이런 식으로. 이런 현상이 생겨요. 이게 계면층이라는 거예요. 계면층. 남아있는 얘를 깨줘야지 됩니다. 자, 이쪽은 계면층을 깬 거예요. 이런 식으로 닦여요. 이런 식으로. 이런 차이점을 생각해서 전처리를 적용하시면 됩니다. 시청해주셔서 감사합니다.